What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews and Healthy Wild Free. Today I'm reviewing PaleoValley's Superfood Sleep Protein. It's a strawberries and cream flavor and it has 7 grams of protein per serving. Now, I got this because recently I've just had some ups and downs in my sleep. It's been honestly a while that I've had ups and downs in my sleep, so I'm just trying a lot of different sleep products. And most of them I don't see much results in. But this I did notice an improvement in my sleep overall. So I'm gonna go over the formula with you, share what I like about it, and what I don't like about it. And from there, I'll link up the link to this below, which will give you 15% off not only this, but anything that PaleoValley has to offer, which by the way, PaleoValley is one of my favorite brands. They have really good bars, protein bars that are bone broth based, jerky, supplements, and superfoods, powders, whey protein, all this kind of stuff. So they're really an amazing brand. I really do like them, and they really do value the quality of their products. So the ingredients are basically it's kind of 3 parts. So it's minerals, which is magnesium, sodium, potassium, protein, which comes from bone broth powder, and then some different organic reishi mushroom, chamomile flower, which is calming, Ceylon cinnamon, organic, which is good for balancing blood sugar levels, tart cherry fruit, and then a little bit, 1 gram of melatonin, which by the way, tart cherry fruit has melatonin in it, so both of those have melatonin in it. But tart cherry and pistachios, which pistachios aren't in here, but separate note, pistachios and tart cherry both have naturally occurring melatonin in them. So what it's doing is it's giving your body minerals to sort of calm down and relax, protein for recovery and repair, the reishi mushroom and chamomile flower and Ceylon cinnamon for calming down and relaxing, stabilizing blood sugars with the Ceylon cinnamon, and then the tart cherry and melatonin from Samatto tomato fruit extract. Both of those are really just giving you a little bit of melatonin, which is your sleep hormone. So I really like it. The flavor is honestly incredible. Strawberries and cream, what I do is I just mix it with some organic A2 milk or some organic Greek yogurt, and it's absolutely exceptional. Typically I'll do it with milk at night because a little glass of milk with this, I'm getting protein for recovery, minerals for relaxing, reishi mushroom and chamomile flower for relaxing, and then a little bit of melatonin, and those antioxidants in that tart cherry fruit extract as well to just calm my nervous system and induce a sleep state so that my body can be recovered and repair and relax and just go into a deeper therapeutic state overall. So my results with this product, let me share my results. I love the formula, I love the taste. Oh yeah, one more thing. There are organic flavors, organic monk fruit extract and organic dragon fruit, Samatto tomato fruit extract. So there's a few organic flavors and sweeteners, which just makes it taste better. I mean, it's not a huge deal. Nothing that disrupts your gut or anything like that, or at least not for me. I didn't have any issues with it at all. And sometimes my gut can be sensitive, but I was fine with this. And it even says in the front, gut friendly. I believe that it is. And I think most people will be fine with those things. So with that being said, my experience. I started taking it about 2 weeks ago. And in that time, I would say approximately 3 out of 4 nights of my sleep was improved. So I've taken it every night, and I would say 3 out of 4 nights I saw an improvement in my sleep. So my sleep still isn't 100% perfect, but I did see an improvement. The issue that I was having is I was waking up in the middle of the night, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, and when I started taking this, I started sleeping through the night almost every night, about 3 out of 4 nights. So it's improved it a lot substantially. So if you do have sleep challenges, it could be anything within here. And when I say that, it could be you have a mineral deficiency, you could have a deficiency in protein, your blood sugar levels could be a little high or low, and Ceylon cinnamon stabilizes those, or your body may not be producing melatonin, which tart cherry concentrate and the melatonin in here helps as well. So it could be any of those things. So I like that it's kind of a wide formula that helps your body to relax, recover, and be in a therapeutic state of rest and sleep. So, and I just love the formula. Honestly, I love that I'm getting a little protein before bedtime. To me, to have some protein in a non-food form, because I don't want to eat before bedtime because I don't want my body to be breaking down, like a steak or, beef or fish or chicken or something. You don't want your body to be in a state of breaking food down, but in a protein powder that's already sort of pre-digested with a glass of milk, I don't see any issue with that because it's not like your body's working metabolically in a difficult way to break these things down and absorb them. So it's just giving your body rebuilding minerals, rebuilding protein, and some calming things for your nervous system, chamomile flower, reishi. By the way, the reishi is reishi fruiting body extract, which is very important. It's not the mycelial mass. The mycelial mass is the cheaper part of the mushroom. The fruiting body extract is more therapeutic and has a stronger effect. So I love the formula. I recommend, like I said, mixing it with A2 organic milk and or coconut milk if you're a vegan, or you know, something like that, and or Greek yogurt or something that has like a creaminess to it, because strawberries and cream mixed with that, it just tastes amazing. So it tastes amazing, it's high quality, it's organic, I highly recommend it. And right now you can get 15% off this, along with anything else at the PaleoValley brand. Like I said, they have really great whey protein. I get their chocolate and vanilla whey protein, I get their bone broth powders, I get their bars, I get their jerky, I get their vitamin C supplement. I get so much from this brand. A lot of my supplements and foods are from this brand. So check them out in the description below to get 15% off. And if you want to get discounts on more than 30 different health and wellness brands that are high quality, organic, vetted by me, a wellness coach, visit healthywildfree.com/shop in the comment section. I will link that up below as well. And there you'll get discounts to more than 30 different health and wellness brands. I'm talking free shipping, discount codes, special offers, things like that. And once again, these are brands that I've personally vetted, that are high quality, that you can trust putting into your body and ensuring that your biology will benefit from them and you'll be healthier because of these products. No artificial junk, no GMOs. I'm talking the highest of highest quality brands and products. So check out that list below, subscribe to the channel below, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.